Hey there, Collena from Voice Savvy coming right back at you with another video. Now it is getting to that season again where the weather is changing and colds are going around. I don't know about you, but I know so many people that are suffering with a cold at the moment, including moi. Yeah, again, I know. But this video is basically all about giving you a post-cold / COVID voice recovery workout. I'm going to be giving you some exercises that you can consider doing to really help, just get your voice back on track again. But there's no talking about it today, so we're just gonna jump straight in. So let's do this. So first of all, we're gonna be starting out with some breathing exercises. We wanna make sure that you're breathing in the best possible way for singing, that your voice is well supported, especially for the exercises that we're gonna be doing in a moment. So let's do this. So for this one, you want to make sure that you are standing up straight, that you have good posture, that your shoulders are nice and relaxed. Then you're going to take your hand and you're going to place it on your tummy button. You're going to inhale with this one through the nose and then exhale through the mouth. On the exhale, you should feel your tummy button move towards your spine. So let's just do this one. Inhale through the nose. And then exhale through the mouth. And again, inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. So you can pause the video and do that a couple more times before moving on to the next exercise. So with this one, we're going to be pretty much doing the same thing, only this time on the exhale, we're going to be doing them in short bursts, just like this. And then with this one, your tummy should be springing in with each out breath. So place your hand on your tummy button again, inhale through your nose, and then on the out, we're gonna let's do that one again. So you're more than welcome to pause this and do that a couple more times before we start vocalizing. The first exercise we're going to do is a voiced fricative. It's a semi-occluded vocal tract exercise and it really just allows your voice to vocalize with so much ease, which is why we're going to be starting out with this one. So we're basically going to be doing a almost like you're revving a car engine softly. Keeping it nice and relaxed. Give me some more. And you can pause this video and do a couple more of those if you would like, just to get used to them, and then we're going to take it to the scale. The next exercise we're going to do is just some gentle humming with some vocal fry, just to really keep the voice nice and relaxed. Again, humming is a semi-occluded vocal tract exercise, just means your mouth is partially closed. But again, I can't emphasize enough how amazing the semi-occluded vocal tract exercises are, just because they allow your voice to vocalize with the most amount of ease, which is why, whenever it comes to voice recovery, I'm always starting with these ones. Even when it comes to vocal warm-ups, warming up your voice, really starting to vocalize with these, semi-occluded vocal tract exercises. How many more times could I say semi-occluded? Seriously. Anyway, humming. It would just be so wrong of me if I do a video that's all about recovering from a cold and I do not include the vocal tube. You know, this is semi-occluded again, but it is voice therapy. So this is really going to help your voice to recover. You can do this on pitch glides, and you can also do it on the scale, but you can actually go to my other video, which is all about vocalizing with the vocal tube. I uploaded it a few weeks ago. Go there if you want to really work on the vocal tube. On to the next exercise. The next exercise is a lip trill into the dopey mom, mom, mom. The lip trill really alleviates that tension and pressure in the voice, so it really helps your voice to relax as you open up into the mom, 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 mom. Mom, mom, mom. Mom, mom, mom. So that is it for the exercises. So those were some exercises to really help your voice recover from a cold or COVID. Give them a try, comment below and let me know how you're getting on. But if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing, hit that notification bell, and also share these videos with anyone you feel is going to find them beneficial. But I think that's pretty much it. Until next time, amazing people, I will see you soon. Peace out.